How to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can know if someone blocked you on Instagram. If you suspect that someone has blocked you on Instagram, the first step that you can do to confirm is first of all search the account. So open your Instagram application and tap the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. The search icon is represented by a magnifying glass icon. And so in the search box, type out the name of the account you think has blocked you. So for me, I'll just type out a particular account now. And so once you can see the account, you'll be brought to the accounts page. So on this page, you can see if the person has blocked you, you would not see the person's post or the person's picture, all of that. Your the account will be private. So if the account is private and you can't find it like this, it means that you have been blocked. All right, it means you have been blocked. So you can just reach out to the person and all of that, or you could just try out another method, which is to check your comments and messages. All right, so um go to your post, all right, by moving to the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon, and then on your profiles page you can just go ahead and check out your post. So if the person has ever commented on any of your posts, tap on their username to go to their profile. And if you can't see any details, or if you see the write up, sorry, this page isn't available, it means that you have been blocked. And the last option you can try is to try following them again. So you have to go to their profile. If the account is private, for example, and you still want to confirm if you've been blocked or not, go to their profile again. And so once you're in your profile, click on the follow button. And if it changes from following to follow after a few seconds, that means that they have blocked you. So that is it. So these are the various ways you can know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So thank you for watching and have a good day.